Welcome to our arms and abs dumbbell Tabata workout. We're working from the mat today. We'll be doing rounds of 3 minutes, working your upper body with the weights, then 1 minute hard abs, and then we repeat the round. So if you could come all the way down to your mat, please. Let's take feet together, arms out to the side. Let's start to release through your lower back, palms face up, and I want you to feel that you're getting that movement all the way through the lower part of the body. Now let's take those feet wider. So our first round actually is going to work as mobility and an ab exercise. So bring both feet back into hip width, draw your tummy down, and I want you to start to circle your arms. Option 1, bring one knee above the hip. Option 2, bring both legs up. Option 3, you can extend the legs away. Taking deep breaths as we circle those arms. Making sure the back doesn't force up. If it does, bring one leg back down or both feet back down. Back shouldn't feel under pressure. Now change direction with those arm circles. And if you are working with one leg lifted, change sides. So we're getting straight in, using a Tabata round to challenge your core, but also just to mobilize through the upper body. So let's go for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring the feet down, reach for your weights, palms face away, rotate, push. Now the background is just for a little bit of motivation, so don't try and work with the beat for this workout. The most important thing is that you get your technique. The technique is palms face away, palms face in. Working into the chest, working into the front of the shoulders, working into the triceps a little. All the while the abdominals are drawn down. It's a breath out each time you push the weights up and you turn those palms away. How's that feeling for you? I hope that's feeling good. And again, 15 seconds. We're going to change the exercise up slightly. Still working into chest a little bit, triceps and shoulders. 2 more. Now hold, palms face in, out for 2 counts. So we take that out for 2 and in for 2. Breath in, breath out as the weights come back. So we take that out for 2, in for 2, yeah? So you're halfway with this round. And again, let's change the tempo. Let's go 3 and 1. So we go out slower, 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 and in. Out slower, 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 and in. Good. Out, 2, 3, and in. Out, 2, 3. Again. Out, 2, 3, and push. Great. Out, 2, 3, and push. Out, 2, 3. 2 more. 1 more time. Chest press 2 and 2. So the palms face away. And again, so those arms go out and back. Again now. So a breath in as the arms come down, a breath out as you push up. Yes. Again now. So we take that down for 2 and up for 2. Now we take that down fast and up slow. Watch your elbows on the floor. So we go down, push, 2, 3. Down, push, 2, 3. Down, push, 2, 3. Down, push, 2, 3. Again. Down, push, 2, 3. Down, push, 2, 3. Drop, push, push, push. Drop, push. 2 more. 1 time. Those weights come down. So bring the knees into the chest. You can work with head and shoulders down if you prefer. We switch 1 minute. Pull the belly down. You can tap further away. You can go straight. you can twist. You're going for 1 full minute. Keep the back of the neck lengthened. Remember, you can work here. Make sure your back doesn't force up. You can tap down if that's too intense on your back. 30 seconds. And then we've got our tricep round. What? Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah. And again. Great work. Let's keep going with that. Keep drawing down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, release. Oh, well done. Bring the weights up, knuckles to the sky. Back for 2, back for 2, and lift for 2. Back for 2, and lift for 2. Back for 2, and lift. Again, it's a breath in as the weights come down, breath out as you push up. Down for 2, and lift for 2. Again now. Back for 2, and lift for 2. Back for 2. Let's go 3 and 1. 3, 2, 1. Push up. 3, 2, 1, and push. 3, 2, 1. Again. 3, 2, 1. Now I want you to keep going with that. Excuse me, watch me a few times. So I go down, over, back, push up, and again. So I go down, over, back, come with me. So we take that down, over, back, push up, down, over, back, push up again. So the elbows come down, weights go over, back you come, push up to the sky. So take that down, over, back, and drive. Yeah. Down, over, back, push up again. So that comes down, over, back, drive up, twice more, down, over, back, push up one time, down, over, back, tricep presses. So mind your elbows on the floor, knuckles to the sky, drop, drive, drop, drive. How's that feeling? Woo-hoo. Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. Again, dropping it, driving it. There we go. Yes. Really pushing those knuckles up to the sky. You got 30 seconds to go. Those triceps and triceps. Those triceps should be feeling really uncomfortable now, I hope. Yeah. And again. Let's go with this. Drop, drive. Yeah. And again. 4, 3, 2, 1. Those weights come all the way down. And then ankles and knees together, palms face up, tummy drawn in. So I go over and then back. So again, we're not worried about the music beat. We keep those thighs tight together, working into your stomach, back and waist. Harder this way. Again, keeping the tummy muscles switched on. Harder. You can extend away and back. All the while, keeping those shoulders connected to the floor. In a moment, we're going to come over onto hands and knees to work into your posterior chain. You can work from standing if you prefer not to kneel. Keep going with that. Let me just show you. So if you want to, you can come into this position, yeah? As soon as you're ready, come all the way up. We're going to come into single rows. Row, release, row, release. Try not to twist, keep the shoulders square. Working through the back of the shoulders into your upper back. Pull, release. Yeah, and again. You've got under 30 seconds to go. Doing great. And again, pull, release. So we take that 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's change that up. Opposite side. Ready? Let's go. Pull, release. Now at the end of this round, we're going to come up to standing to continue to work into the back of the shoulders, into the upper back. Don't come up too quickly, you take your time. And again, pull, release, pull, release. 20 seconds. And again. That's it. Great work. Let's go 4, 3, 2, 1. Grab your weights. Come all the way up to standing. Feet hip width down and 7 rows. Down, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up, let's go again. Pull back. Stay on that. And again. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One time, last. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One weight goes down, abs in, we finish off. So we go over and back, over and back. Yeah. If you want to make that harder, you can have 2 weights on one side. Unless you've got any weakness through the back, then just stay with the one. Four, 3, 2, change that over and back, over and back. Great, let's keep working into that waist. Nearly there. Four, 3, 2, and the 1. That weight goes down. Take a reach all the way through the side. Let's change sides. Let's reach. Take the hands away. Take the hands behind you, open out. Take a stretch through the back of the arm. And into the shoulder. Let's do the same again, opposite side. Take that stretch through the back of the arm. And into the shoulder. Relax, take a deep breath in. And a breath out. One time more, deep breath in. And breath out. I would like to thank you so very much for joining me for our dumbbell, upper body and abs Tabata workout. I hope you enjoyed the session today.